We got another winning case study, and this time for TRL Nutrition. First, a little bit of introduction. What is TRL Nutrition?
TRL Nutrition sells these supplements. They sell, for example, other brands like Ultra Nutrition, Elevate, basically all kinds of nutrition to customers.
Awesome. And how much AOV booster we give them?
We got them 13% in the first 7 days.
Pretty nice result.
Yeah.
Okay, let's break down what we did for TRL Nutrition.
First, we started out checking their store, and we saw that they have these stacks that the customers can choose. So they can choose a stack where there's some items included, pre-made bundles basically. But we thought that not all customers want to have these kind of pre-made bundles chosen for them. They might want to bundle up items themselves. So what we did first was we created this bundle builder to let the customers choose their own items to bundle up themselves. In this case, customers would go here and add these items. But if they use Upnova's bundle builder, they can just go to the store and add any kind of item they want. And then in the cart, they see here that there's a progress bar telling them that if they want to add a few more items to their own bundle, they'll get a little bit of a percentage off from the order. Then they can go to the bundle builder page, what we have created, and they can just choose whichever items they want to put in their own bundle. Let's say I choose these ones, and then I can just add it to the cart. So basically, we created an easy way for the customers to build their own bundle.
I also see that they are also using free gift with purchase here with 2 tiers. What's that about?
So the free gift with purchase is a great offer to run with the bundle builder also. So we give the customers a real threshold to reach for, and they get something for free. In TRL's case, they're running 2 different free gifts. So the first gift here is this sample product that the customers can choose, whichever they want from the options here. And they can just add it to the cart because they have reached £60. Now the second free gift here is placed a little bit higher. Now I see that I've got $133 already in my cart. So they're also able to get the second free gift. But the point of these free gifts is to get the customers to build their own bundle, and at the same time, when they add enough items, they get something for free.
Very sweet, very sweet. Now, it sounds simple, but I think we even have different upsell setup than most customers that we onboard, and that is to do with their bundle set, which I understood that they came to us already with their own system of a bundle set, and they want to use Upnova has to offer. How is it looking now?
So they had this bundle set offer for a few products, but I'll show you an example. So they have this Elevate pick and mix bundle set if the customers want to buy 5 Elevate products. Now before they had a version of the page where the customers could do this, but we showed them our way, how Upnova does it, and they loved it. So we created this bundle set offer where the customers can see the beautiful pictures, add all the items they want from here, choose the right flavors for themselves. And now we see they've added 5 items. We can just add it to the cart like this.
Very nice. Well, that said, if the customer wants to reconfirm what flavor they added, they can just expand that and they can all see it here.
Yeah.
Very sweet. Awesome. And there's one more thing that has to do with pop-up. Now, pop-up is not something we usually do, but for TRL, we actually innovate something new for them and make pop-up not so annoying anymore. Isn't that right?
Yeah, the idea behind the pop-up is that we have this bundle builder where the customers come to the carts and then they can go to the bundle builder page. But we thought, could we make this more intuitive for the customers to build their own bundle? So we created this pop-up with the bundle builder. So when a customer adds an item to the cart, we immediately show them after they've added the item that, hey, if you want to build your own bundle, you can do it straight over here. But if they want to go to the cart, they can go to the cart also without building the bundle.
I see.
This way the flow gets broken up a little bit and we have a perfect chance to show the most relevant item to the customer if they want to build their own bundle. So they can open this bundle builder page that has a little bit less products, but we hope that they are the right products for these customers. But if they don't find the right products for themselves, they can still go to the bundle builder page from here and build their own bundle with all the items that are open for them to choose.
This is so cool. So all of this, and then we got 13% increase in AOV in only 7 days. Great job, man.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, that's it for the case study.